So on the 12th of April I was at Cartland near Carluke's, wanting to see the Jacobite ECS that was going through there. However, my first catch today was 1M10, the 0957 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Glasgow Central with 390 130. Then here she came on the 5Z60, the early 1047 turned up at 1022 West Coast Railway service Fort William Junction YDTC from Carnforth Steamtown with 57001, 45407 and 45212. And then my last catch today was 4S99, the early 1043 turned up at 1037 DB Cargo service to Greensmouth TDG EWS from Tees Docks BSC Export berth with 66030.